Well, the mission for the district is called Passion for Potential. Our role is to help all individuals within the organization reach their potential in a learning environment. And so we use technology in order to be able to help facilitate the time that teachers and administrators spend on detail work, organizational work, paperwork, so that they can focus on planning and creating opportunities for students for learning.
I'm basically head of MIS for the district. In schools, that job has additional responsibilities. You not only deal with the servers and all of the software and the systems, but you also have to always think about how will it affect and enhance learning.
When I first came to District 113 as the accounting manager, we were on a home, in-house created accounting system. We had to do a lot of manual checks, a lot of manual purchase orders, a lot of manual everything. If you were trying to find something, you couldn't even look up anything. There was no reference there, so you always had to have all your paper products. Everything had to be kept in a file and properly filed. And what we were really looking for was something that would eliminate that and actually bring an end to the manual process. That led us to search many accounting packages. And we only had one in all of the packages that would accommodate a school district's needs. There was a Windows-based program.
Schools have very limited staffs. We can't afford to have systems that you have to tweak constantly and that you have to always maintain. GP really fits into this nicely because the back end on it is in SQL Server. And SQL Server lets us integrate other systems to it. For instance, I want to compare, let's say, the number of classes and the number of supplies that we have for science, and I want to compare that to what the science budget is. I can do that because I can bring them all together in SQL to give good analysis and to find out what is really going on out there so we can improve things.
Our teachers already know how to use Microsoft Office, so the integration into GP9 is very easy. They can export data right out of GP into Excel, Word, or PowerPoint.
GP 9.0 is going to be a huge release in the fact that it's bringing a tighter integration with the other Microsoft Office products. Beginning in release 8.0, we saw the integration of Excel and Word. Now we're also bringing in a tighter integration with Outlook. We can now check our email directly from the new user home pages. And the users can also do their daily tasks right within the same program.
One of the new areas coming in with the GP 9.0 is requisition management, and we were anxiously waiting for requisition management. We are seeing a lot more functionality, a lot more information that we can get out to our users that we had not even imagined. That's exciting to them. It's exciting to us. It makes for more information, quicker, faster, and easier.
The great part about GP9 is now it's more central administration. We can now deploy the software out to the high schools, to the people who need it, and do all the updates, which takes the burden off the overloaded IT staffs already in the high schools.
The time that we have to maintain it is very little, and it really has reduced our total cost of ownership that we have for our district tremendously. GP9 fits into, of course, a bigger picture. Our bigger picture here is that we want to bring everything together in one interface so that they can be much more efficient at what they do, so they can spend time talking and teaching and mentoring, which is really what we want our school to do. We want the kids to benefit, and that's where it pays off in the district.